Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of October the 4th through the 10th, 2019. So I do shop at Giant, but we often have the same deals in Stop and Shop and Martin's. Just double check your own ads and prices in store just to make sure. Now I did do a video about, if you didn't see it, the Giant Choice Rewards. It's the new program that's coming out for Giant and Martin's. It apparently is already out. However, I'm working on doing a video on how to redeem them. I redeemed my points this morning before I went to the store, and then they never came off, and it still shows them in my wallet. So I don't know if maybe you redeem points, it takes a while to get the grocery dollars. I'm not real concerned about it though, because it doesn't, they don't expire, I guess, until the 30th, the dollar grocery dollar. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Hopefully next time it comes off. It's a new program. We always got to give new programs a chance to work out the kinks and everything. So hopefully that works out soon. And then I also wanted to let you know the receipt. There was a receipt change. I no longer see how many points I have. And then also the total savings of the year is no longer there either. So just something to be aware of. I don't know if they're trying to cut down on the amount of paper or what. Let's go ahead and get started in the deals. Breakdown will be in the description box below if I didn't already say so. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, so first deal here, this Galbani. It's probably only a good deal for me and anybody else who just eats a lot of cheese. So it's on sale for $3.50. I had a $1 coupon that they mailed me. I asked them for some coupons a while ago, so they made that $2.50, and that's for a pound of cheese. So it's a pretty good price for me. If you're on the low carb diet, I slice these up into like 16 little pieces, and it's only 1 carb, so nice snack to have in the refrigerator ready to go. These apples are 59 cents a pound. This is a Friday through Sunday deal only. They had a variety. They had green ones, they had red delicious. I didn't see yellow delicious in my store, but some other apples, so went ahead and picked those up for some baking that I'm going to be doing. And then the Hatfield here, this is a weird price. We don't really see 3 for $7 deals. So they're $2.34 and $2.33 a piece. That's how they rang up. So I'm definitely going to be probably just freezing these. They do best by date is the 16th, so I'm probably going to need to just put those right up in the freezer. All right, the Breyers deal did not work out how I wanted it to. So Breyers is 2 for $6. And then you get a box of eggo waffles for free. So I went on Kellogg's Family Rewards points and printed off, I used some of my points to print off a $1 coupon. So it works because you can use a coupon on a free product at Giant as long as the promotion is through Giant. So you get an extra $1, so it's 2 for $5. And then Catalina is running a deal. It's supposed to be buy 2 Breyers, get back a $2 Catalina. Well, it didn't print for me, so I don't know, guys, if it's because I purchased the Carb Smart. I did contact Catalina about that. They're usually pretty good. Now, last time when I purchased Huggies, they came back and said, oh, sorry, we can't find that promotion. And I emailed them back and I said, yeah, I know it's still going on because I did the deal a couple days ago. So, and then they ended up mailing me 2 separate $5 coupons in the mail. So I don't know why they had to do it twice, but they did. They are usually pretty good about giving you what you need if it didn't print off. So I don't know, guys, if that's why it didn't print. So maybe stay away from the Carb Smart or just take your chance and hope they mail you your coupon. I don't know. So it's supposed to print. Now that's good until the 6th. So Sunday, hopefully it prints for you. If you do this deal and it prints for you and you don't get Carb Smart, please comment below to let others know that the deal is a go, at least until Sunday. So I ended up paying $5, but it was supposed to be $3 for all 3 products, but sometimes things just don't work out. Okay, the Barilla pasta is, spin this out of the shade there, is $1 a piece. This isn't the best deal, but I needed to stock up because a lot of times I'm asked to bring my famous Crockpot Mac and cheese to different things coming up here soon. So I went ahead and stocked up on that. I do have a recipe if you're interested. I'll try to link it down below if I remember. So $1 off 4 from the Smart Source 9.8, and then there's a $1 off 4 from Saving Star. So that made those $2.50 a piece. Now, if you can find the red lentil, and if it's a part of the $1 sale, which I don't know if it will be, there's a $1 back on Ibotta. So you might want to pair in those coupons with Savings Star and maybe make a little money maker for yourself. It might be in the healthy section. I didn't look in the healthy aisle. I just looked in the regular pasta and couldn't find it, so. Okay, the ready pasta here. They are on sale for $1 as well. I had a 50-cent off one load to card that did not come off, and then I had $1 off of one from the retail made not $9.29. And then $1 off of two from Savings Star, so to be completely free, if that 50-cent load to card would have come off, it would have been a 50-cent moneymaker, but I'm not sure why it didn't come off, it just did it. Okay, the Silk yogurts. So I picked up 2 of the So Delicious coconut milk because there is 50-cent off of 2 on Ibotta, and then there's also Silk yogurt 50-cent off of 2. So they're $1.25 a piece. I had 4 of those 50-cent tearpads, which I totally forgot that at Giant only one of the identical coupon will double. So I don't know what I was thinking there. So only one of them doubled. And like I said, the 2 50-cent off of Ibotta. So I paid $1.50 or 38 cents each, which is a little too much for me to pay for yogurt, but my kids eat a thing of yogurt. They share it every day. So yogurt is something we go through like crazy. Okay. So, oh, and like I said, the doubling, I know that's how Giant is. I don't know Martin's policy. And I know Stop and Shop, I think you can double up to 4. So if you guys have this deal, it should be a go for it if you can find the tearpads. So Tastycakes are $3, at least this variety was. It was not tagged for $3. It was like $3.99, so I don't know. It ended up ringing up for $3. I had a $1.98 competitors coupon. Now, I don't even live close to the store anymore, but they still mail me their coupons. So always look out for using competitor coupons. Giant never gives me a problem about that. What's weird, though, is the competitor coupon is, it says $1.98 for one whatever it is, like Tastycake. So instead of like subtracting and finding the difference, Giant just will take $1.98 off of whatever you have. So that's really great. I just got a set of coupons. So it's like for 12 weeks of coupons. So you'll be seeing a lot of competitor coupon deals from me in the next couple of weeks. So that made that only $1.02. My husband absolutely loves those, so those are for him. Stouffer's $2.09. I still had one of those coupons that they mailed me when I contacted them. They sent me, I think, 2 coupons for free product, and we did already open those for lunchtime. Now this last deal, it was just a rain check deal from last week, 3 for $10. Never be ashamed to go get a rain check if it's something that you want really bad. And I wanted this really bad. Sometimes I just, they don't have it. Most of the time I don't have that problem because I go the first day of the sale. But I ended up stopping at another Giant last Sunday, and they were completely out of most of the Dunkin' Donuts coffee because it's such an amazing deal. So it was 3 for $10. I used 2 of those $1.50 coupons and 1 of those dollar coupons. I don't know what insert they were from. And then I had 3 $1 back rebates, and then it was a 50-cent when you buy one of each variety. So I paid $2.50 for 3 things of coffee, and I didn't get my coffee this morning, so I put one of those in my coffee maker for lunchtime, and guys, it is amazing. I'm thinking about hiding them from my husband because he'll be wanting to drink one every day. I don't know yet if I'm going to hide it from him or not. Probably not. I like to share stuff sometimes. Okay, guys, so that is my haul for this week, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.